So in this chapter, we are going to use heavily Next.js image component. You might ask yourself, what is it, or what's the motivation for it? What are the pros and the cons? Next.js image is actually a component that is built on top of the regular HTML IMG element. So this is what it is. And the motivation is performance. Because images can be big, and to download the image from the server to the client might take a lot of time, and you might want to reduce this time by optimization. And you want also the image to be responsive. So this is the motivation. So what are the pros of using image component? Well, first, as I said, image can be large, can be maybe 4,000 pixel over 4,000 pixel, but you might want only to show 400 pixel over 400 pixel, because in mobile you don't need such a big image. So if you will try to use IMG element and write width of 400 and height of 400, and if you will check on the network, you will see that the image is downloaded with its full size. It will show only 400 by 400 pixel, but the whole picture will be downloaded. So this is a waste of time. And using Next.js, this will not happen. Also, you might have a very long image, list of images, and only maybe 100 images, and only 5 of them are shown on the viewport. So it is not required to download all these images if you're only showing 5 of them. So if you are using Next.js, it will show only what appear in the viewport, and if you will scroll down for the next 5, then it will download it. And also, Next.js image support responsive out of the box, and this is also very convenient. So these are the pros, and the cons are that you will see that image, you have some issues with styling. It's not very fluid, and sometimes you need to struggle. So this is the cons.